Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, the 20th of September. This is our weekly recap. I hope everybody had a great week. It's been a very, very good week here for us. And, here we are at the close on Friday, the quad witch, the rebalance, and the markets put an all-time high. If you want to join us in our live trading room, come on over to smartoptiontrading.com, click on live trading alerts, and we'd love to have you join us. So let's talk about the week as we're sitting here chopping around. The SPY, little down day. It's not down quite as much as you think it is because we went ex-dividend today. So we're down, but not a ton. Volume the last couple of days has been much more elevated. It's been put an all-time high in yesterday of 52.70, 57.20.88. Can't talk today, guys. Sorry, not feeling great. It's been one of those days. And overall, we haven't even hit the 8 days since all the way back here on the 11th September. Breadth remains very strong. The trend remains up. Everything is going pretty well here, and everything looks pretty good. When we talk about what else is going on out there, the Qs themselves, not as strong, but pushing up as well. The financials just missed an all-time high yesterday. Energy's come off the lows with oil having a bit of a bounce. The SMH has had a nice bounce this week, back down, but holding the 50 on the close, that would be huge. We'll see if that can recover. And the IWM also all over the place, but generally holding up back to that 225 area and that 228.63 multi-year high, not that far away now. So this week was about names, and it really was. With the Fed this week was very quiet Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday until the Fed. If you weren't not living under a tree, the Fed cut rates by 0.50, and then we have November, the next meeting, so plenty of time. Next week, we do have GDP and consumer sentiment, as well as consumer confidence, and PCE on Friday is a big one. Earnings is Micron next week and Costco, so pretty quiet. So let's talk about the week that was. Oracle, huge move here on Monday, came out, guided up for the second time in 4 days. We traded this one here on Monday. Nice big move on that one, and overall holding in nicely and continues to go sideways at all-time highs. We traded CMG this week, I don't know if it came in from this week. And, nice move back here above the 50-day. Now it needs to break above the 100-day. We'll keep an eye on that for that one as well. NVIDIA was in play this week. Nice, some nice moves off the lows. We played with that, but AMD was the rock star here. Nice move by AMD yesterday, all the way back up, just missed the 200-day. This chart's looking really nice, and if it could take out the 200-day and then this candle right here, it can run. You have a W pattern with a higher low on it. Very nice looking chart. Late news here this afternoon is Qualcomm has approached Intel about a takeover. Specifically, it talks like they want to buy Intel's chip design unit, or maybe all of them. This is not as far-fetched as, believe it or not, Qualcomm's market cap is twice the size of Intel's now. I doubt this will ever be allowed to go through, but it's just interesting what's going on out there. Avgo also having a very nice week here and pushing highs today. Crowd today was a beautiful trade. We played this a little bit. Nice move here. It had a bunch of upgrades, breaking back into these gaps and working its way back up after all those problems. 200-day, your next target on that one. Tesla this week finally broke out yesterday after a bunch of false starts. Nice move. We traded the hell out of this yesterday, filled most of this gap inside day today. Looks like it wants more. I think your 52-week high is 270. Nope, it's 273.93. So waking itself back up, looking pretty good. We'll keep an eye on this one as well. Meta, which I'm no longer in, put a new all-time high in yesterday, then again today. Netflix put a new all-time high. A lot of strength in these names. Apple, also a nice move up here. Your all-time high not far. 3 big days up in a row on this one. It's extended here and it doesn't care. They're piling back into it. And what else is going on? Microsoft, big buyback announcement the other day. It came down, but overall holding in. Amazon trying to break out. You got a gap at 190, 158. We have our focus on that. Google had a nice week, almost back to that 50-day. It's been a while on that one. And am I forgetting anything? Boeing put a new 52-week low in today here. Overall, not playing well, not forgetting. Palantir joining the S&P 500 after the close today. Nice bounce off the 8-day, also pushing back up, looking good. So the market is broadening out, and that's the one thing I would say here. This market remains strong. It's broadening out. I think pullbacks are any kind of dips or pullbacks we can get, you can buy. By the way, Apple just exploded. You guys in the room, Apple pushing up hard now on this. So, we'll see what we get here next week, but I remain bullish on this markets. And, today was a little down day, but what we needed here is a little bit rest. Catch you guys on Monday morning. I don't know if I'll get charts, guys, this week or not. I'm a little under the weather and I'm not available on Sunday. So if I'm not filling up to tomorrow, I'll get you guys a video out, but we'll see if I can get some stuff done quickly. Everybody have a great weekend, and I'll catch you live on Monday morning.